We know a place where kids can be kids, adults can be adults, and families can get even closer. Norwegian gives families the perfect balance of group activities and solo adventures. Because let's face it, sometimes you just want to send your little brother to the plank. But then you remember the wise old phrase, families that slide together, stay together. Dry off and then dive into some lunch with the family. From burgers as big as your head to salads as fresh as that new tan. Share a teachable moment while getting your sugar fix. Now that everyone is sugared up, it's time for the kids to enjoy Splash Academy, Norwegian's fleet-wide complimentary youth program. And Entourage, the coolest teen lounge at sea. And while the kids are at play, the parents can slip away to the spa, to the casino, to the shops, or to the sun. With Norwegian, you have the freedom to dine when and where you want. So if the table is hot, or you find yourself saying just one more store for the third time, don't worry. The food will be ready whenever you are. As the sun falls, we pump up the entertainment. When it's time to retire the dancing shoes, retreat to accommodations ranging from adjoining family staterooms to balconies and luxurious suites in the Haven. Now sleep tight, for tomorrow is full of more excitement for the whole family. New days bring new and exciting destinations to discover. So lace up your sneakers or slip on some fins and make new family memories. Together. Laugh together. Play together. Cruise together.